welcome back to my cross-stitch channel. My name is Leslie and I make videos in Russian and English, and it's all about cross-stitching. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be unpacking this package. This I have ordered from 123stitch.com, and here you'll find cross-stitch patterns and some cross-stitch accessories and fabric. So let's open up it together and see what's in it. So stay tuned. Let's take a look at what I've purchased. I bought this ring. This you can have your bobbins on. It opens like this, or you can have like small floss away packets, Ziploc bags that you can have your floss in. And I bought these needles. These are made in France. I've never used them before, so I was tempted to try them. Then I bought this beautiful chart by Joan Elliott, Puppet Theater. This is what it looks like. Real funny, nice. Joan Elliott's one of my favorite designers. Then I bought this Christmas Eve Santa Claus. This is a very small pattern, and they have more different animals. This is from Cottage Garden Samplings. This is what it looks like on the backside. I'm going to be buying more from this one. I'm really interested in this. This is a new company for me. Then I bought these funny seagulls. This is by Heritage Crafts. This is British. These are kind of expensive. This is not a really big pattern. It cost about 19 bucks, but I got it on sale for about 15 bucks. For Heritage is this the British charts and cross stitch, because they are really expensive. But this one is so cute. I wanted to try it out. This is what it looks like on the back. They have more of these. I like this one. And the last one. This is why I actually placed this order, is because of this chart. I was waiting for it to come out for a very long time. This is what it looks like. This is this beautiful, curious mermaid. This is by Autumn Lane Stitchery. I am so tempted to start this. And as soon as this video is over, I'm going to start stitching this one. And I chose the fabric for this one. This is what it looks like on the back side. The instruction reads that you have to use 32 even weave, I think. 32 count linen. But I don't like this kind of fabric that they're recommending. I bought this one. This is this is 16 count fabric, count C Lily Ada fabric, 12 by 18 inches. And actually the color here of the fabric is much more deeper green. This is a lighter one. I like the lighter one more. I think that the other colors will pop better on this one than on that, but I would like to know what you think. You think that the color of this fabric is better than what I chose? Let me know in the comment section what you think. Let me know also what chart you liked the most. Was it the Fish and Chips, the Curious Mermaid, Christmas Eve, or Puppet Theater? Which one did you like the most? But I am gonna go and start cross stitching this one. This Curious Mermaid. I'm gonna start right now, just as soon as this video is over. I am so tempted. Well, that's about it for this video. And I want to show you a little bit about my hometown, where I live. I want to take you on a boat ride in my hometown. So if you're interested, stay tuned, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.